Once upon a time, in a bright blue sky, there lived a brave cloud named Nimbus. Nimbus loved to roam the skies and dreamt of helping the earth below. One day, he spotted a little raindrop named Dew, who was scared to fall from the cloud. Nimbus encouraged Dew, telling him that it was okay to be afraid, but that courage was important. With a gentle push, Nimbus helped Dew drop down, where he splashed into a beautiful garden. There, Dew realized that by falling, he helped the flowers bloom and the world come alive. From that day on, Nimbus and Dew became the best of friends, teaching everyone that bravery leads to wonderful adventures.